Mr. Crow and Thumbelina flew for several hours all around the land, and Mr. Crow began to grow tired. He was so tired that he dropped Thumbelina into a field of flowers. Thumbelina felt very happy here in the field of flowers. "Oh my, this place is so beautiful. This is my home from now on," she decided, "for these flowers smell so lovely, and the birds sing ever so softly." But then a thought appeared in Thumbelina's head of her mother. She remembered how much her mother loved her and how much Thumbelina missed her. This made her feel very sad, and she desperately wanted to go home. But suddenly there appeared a fairy prince. He saw Thumbelina and instantly fell in love with her. "Why, hello," he said. "I am the fairy prince of this land, and you are by far the most beautiful girl I have ever laid eyes on. Will you marry me and become my wife? I will make you a princess, and we shall rule this land together." Thumbelina thought for a moment. Here indeed was a different sort of man. He was far more handsome than Toad, Junior, Mr. Bug, and Mr. Mole with the lavish black coat. "Very well, I accept your proposal. If only you would be ever so kind to take me back home to my mother, and with my mother we shall be wed and live happily together." He agreed to Thumbelina's proposal and flew her all the way home. "Oh, Thumbelina, where have you been? Oh, never mind. Do not know how happy I am to have you. I will never let you out of my sight again. Oh, mother, I have had quite a journey, and I shall never leave you again. But I have great news, for I have found a prince, and we shall marry." With a smile on her face, the old woman welcomed both of them, and later that day they got married. Now Thumbelina could fly from flower to flower with her prince from then on.